Where? Check-in? Alright. Let's go. Oh, Q to Z. What? Oh, we have to go different then. I to P, that's me. Here, we'll go here and then we'll go there. Cool? Huh? It's digital. I can imagine that like at 12, these lines have been super long. Alright, just got my ticket and I'm waiting for Matt to get his thing, but this looks so cool. And the best part, it's like right in Olympic Stadium. Let's check, it's right here. Like I can see like the beginning of it, but I am stoked. I'm just waiting for Matt to get here. Oh my! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I got my own tube. Otherwise, you have to buy your own, like from right there. Hey! Mine was orange.
Yo, my name wasn't on the cake.
I see.
Yeah.
What?
And she's like, did you do it like yesterday? And I was like, yeah. She's like, okay.
You didn't tell me I have some pretty kick-ass hats.
Yo, what are we gonna do though? Our hats are gonna fly off.
Yeah, well. Alright,
Dad,
so
put my shit on.
we have to figure out what we gonna do. Oh my god!
You know, you have to walk up. You have to walk all the way up.
Look how
bro.
big it is! Ah!
And it's pretty much downhill.
That's freaking awesome, bro. Ah! Oh my god. Hey, we still got a little bit left.
Go. Get up, go.
That's some nasty water. Bro, that's unreal. That's unreal.
I'll go back up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I try not to get wet. What do you want to do?
That was
That was sick.
that was insane. Get our hat back on. That was insane.
Yeah, it was.
Oh my god. I should have bought more than one ride, man. Alright, so we just got changed in the biodome and we made it all the way down.
Hey, we went to the biodome.
So we're walking back up and get some food. There were food trucks there and like ice cream and a whole bunch of things to do, but kind of a little pricey over there. Or not much. But I strongly suggest to get more than one pass because that was too fun for one pass. I mean, it's still kind of cool. We're walking in the Olympic Park. There's all the Olympic stuff here, which I've never been to. It's kind of cool. You can tell it's a big old river behind us. Anyway, we go get some food, and we're about done for the day. That was fun though. We're coming back next year. I'm coming back next year. Come back next year.